Lutong Barkada. I'm Marie.
And I'm Joy.
Guys, today we will cook dinuguan. It is also known as chocolate soup para kainin ng mga bata because dugo means blood.
O kaya naman, here in America, it's pork blood stew.
Yes.
So, yan ang ating recipe for today.
And here are the ingredients.
First thing first, this is what we do. Transfer ko itong dugo sa bowl. And then we add at least 1/4 cup ng suka. So
Vinegar.
Suka
Is
vinegar.
vinegar.
Ang purpose nito para matanggal yung lansa. So that's 1/4 and then I'm gonna add a little bit more. Konti na. Pantanggal siya ng lansa ng blood. At saka nilalagyan natin siya ng lemongrass to take away that lansa ng dugo. Then we'll just marinate that for a little bit. So ngayon, magsasaute naman tayo ngayon. So preheat na namin yung pan. And then, Marie, do the honor please. I will put the oil. A little bit lang. Tama lang sa ano natin. Let's start with
Onions. We will
Kasi
saute
parang hindi
onions. Parang hindi sumalte.
Parang hindi ma-burn yung garlic natin. So, saute lang. Okay, so let's add our garlic. So, maraming garlic. Ito, 1 whole head ng
Really? 1 whole head
pero
na
ano,
to?
yung maliit lang na size to.
Oh, okay. This is 1 whole head of garlic.
Oo.
Isang buong ulo ng garlic.
Yes. So, parang hindi natin siya parang baburn. Just like half cook lang yung garlic kasi half soup nga siya. So, gusto mong malalasahan pa rin yung parang
Garlic.
yan. Kasi soup. Yung iba, they don't put ginger or luya. Okay, this is our version. Family ko, we always put ginger kasi nga we're using blood.
Para
Ito,
maalis yung
ang lansa, oo.
yung taste ng blood, no?
It really helps. Then, kaya natin ginayat siya ng malalaki para you can easily take it out.
Remove it, right? Maalis nyo agad.
Oo, hindi mo makakain.
Good idea. Usually, nakakagat ko yung
Oo.
luyang yan.
Yan yung purpose ng kaya natin pinakat siya ng malaki. Kasi ayaw mo namang ma-marinate ng luya, ma-overpower ng ginger yung lasa ng dinuguan natin. So, pwede nyo i-remove siya
Later on. Okay. So, good tip yan. Kasi usually, nakakagat ko nga yung
luya, diba?
Well, pag nakagat ko, kinakain ko na rin.
Oo. Pero kung ganitong
Kung makalaki, hindi ka naman magkakamali, di ba? Total healthy rin naman yan.
Then, we will add our meat. So, ito na. So, itong meat na to, ginamit natin is pork shoulder. Ang typical na dinuguan talaga, diba? Mga laman loob. We want a little bit healthy version ng ating dinuguan. So, a little bit fat and mostly meat naman siya. So, tama lang to. Pero kung prefer nyo ng mga intestines, that's your preference.
At saka ako, hindi ko rin makakain yun. So, okay na rin tong pork shoulder. Or ano yung they say, kasim, diba? Sa Philippines, yung kasim.
Kasim. Party ng baboy yung kasim. O kaya, pork belly.
Pork belly, you can also use pork belly pala.
Maraming tao gumagamit ng pork belly kasi andun din yung fat niya ng meat. So, we all know yung pork, may kanya siyang tubig. So we'll just let it simmer like saute like that and
Until
then
the water comes out. So,
Until the water
hanggang yung
comes out.
tubig, lumabas
Oo.
siya.
So ayun na, after a while, kita nyo guys, nagkaroon na siya ng tubig. So ni-research namin kung gaano karami yung water sa pork, sa meat. So it nagre-range siya ng 65 to 75% na may water yung pork meat. Kaya ayan, natural water niya ng pork.
Pero dadagdagan mo pa rin, Joy.
Yes, siyempre dadagdagan natin yan para pang palambot. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to boil the water para mas mabilis ang pagpapakulo natin. Papalambutin natin siya ng mabuti. So, actually, we forgot to mention it to you guys na yung pagkat ng meat, kung maaari, it's like a little bit smaller than this, if you want, whatever you prefer. Gusto kasi ng ating barkada ay yung parang chunky cut lang siya. So, this is what we ended up cutting. Pero pwede yung mas maliit
pa.
Oo, mas maliit. So, habang nagpapakulo tayo ng tubig maliit, lalagyan na natin to ng toyo. Yung iba kasi ginagamit patis. So, kung ano lang yung gusto nyong gamitin.
Soy sauce is
Soy
toyo.
sauce. Oo. Toyo or soy sauce. And then you can mix it. And then, pwede yun naman dagdagan later on.
Yeah,
You
when
like?
you taste test na.
We'll add our boiling water. Konti lang muna. So, ito yung parang, kasi kaya tayo nag-boil ng water para mabilis kumulo, syempre. We'll add a little bit more. So, papakuluan natin tong ng maputi.
Cover
And
natin.
we will cover it.
And wait.
And wait.
Here it is. Tadaan!
Ayan.
Uy,
Mix
ang daming
natin ng konti.
ano.
Yes.
Lumambot na kaya to, Joy.
Tingnan
We will
natin.
soften.
Alright,
Okay,
tingnan
let's
natin.
tusok-tusok the pork.
Tusok-tusok. Ayan, mukhang malambot na siya.
Joy is testing.
Oo,
Parang
ayan
hindi
na.
pa masyado.
Gusto mo bang hintayin natin ng konti?
Gusto ko yung parang it melts in your mouth.
Okay, siguro mukha namang malambot na, Marie.
Malambot na ba?
Siguro mga 5 more minutes.
Yes.
Okay, to
Oo.
satisfy Marie, we'll wait another 5 more minutes. Kailangan talagang kulong-kulo siya at malambot na malambot.
Yeah.
Pero sa akin, mukhang tender pork na siya.
Okay, 5 more minutes, guys. Yes, again.
Ayan na. Sana malambot na yan. Mukha namang malambot na.
yan.
Yes, Marie, okay na ba to?
Oh, okay na yan.
There you go.
Kahit na hindi pa.
No, okay na siya.
No, okay na siya.
Alright, so at this point,
hindi
lalagyan
ko
na natin
na-
siya ng suka. Ito, hindi na natin muna siya hahaluin for 5 minutes.
So, we cannot stir.
No, stir.
So, ito yung
Oo. Tapos lalagyan na natin itong
Tanglad.
lemongrass yata or tanglad. Yes.
Oo, lemongrass.
Oo.
And is it, di ba, dahil sa suka, you cannot,
Mix it?
Mix it,
Oo,
right?
kasi kukunat yung meat. That's what they say. Pero anything na
may suka.
may suka, dapat daw
Don't
hindi
mix it. You have to cook it, right?
ano tawag doon? Hinahalo. Kasi kailangan kumulo, maluto mabuti yung suka.
Suka. Yeah.
So,
You have
kailangan-
to cook it well.
Yes, you have to cook it well. Make sure to boil.
At yung suka, yun yung vinegar. Okay. And then, do we have to cover this? No.
No
Okay.
cover. So we'll just let it boil for at least 5 minutes.
Okay.
So,
5 minutes. After 5 minutes, imimix ko na.
Yes,
Okay.
mix na
At
natin.
itong lemongrass, ano natin.
Siksik mo siya dyan.
Mm.
Pwede na natin ilagyan ng blood.
Okay.
Eto. Wait lang.
Lamot yung dinuguan makes me think of Tita Sen. Kasi, no, lagi niya akong nilulutuan ng dinuguan. Okay.
Eto na, we will use a strainer para ma-strain natin ang mga lemongrass. Tsaka yung mga lumps na rin.
Okay.
So, here you go. Tatantyahin lang muna natin kung how much blood we're going to use.
Gusto mo bang halo-halo?
Yes, we need to mix. Kailangan importante yung pagkahalo para hindi mabuo-buo yung blood natin.
Kailangan
So,
daw
it looks like
halo.
we'll be using the whole tub. Isang tub ng blood to. If you want more, you can always add more. Pero, gusto ko lang siya ng touch ng
Kasi
ng
konti lang naman
yung meat natin. Oh. There you go. Alright, kailangan continuously mix yan, Marie. Napansin nyo ba kanina, para siyang pink, di ba? So that means yung blood hindi pa siya luto. So magiging dark siya pag nalutong-luto na yung blood. So parang chocolate na siya.
Yes, chocolate soup.
We will add our banana pepper this time too. Pwede nyong cut, pwede nyo rin ganyan lang if you want. I think this one is not spicy at all.
No. Yeah.
Hindi, di ba? So, siguro yan lang muna. And then, we'll add
The pepper. Or
pepper.
the salt.
Salt. And, alam nyo ba, ang sikreto dito, naglalagay tayo ng brown sugar to balance the taste. Yung sourness, saltiness, tsaka yung sweetness. So, maglalagay tayo ng konting brown sugar.
So we're adding brown sugar to our chocolate soup.
Yeah. Para mag-balance yung dapat hindi mawawala ang ating laurel.
Hindi natin na ano yan ha. Tan-tanan. Kailangan pala.
So, pampabango lang siya.
Alisin na natin tong lemongrass or tanglad. Ay,
Here.
okay.
Easy.
There you go.
Okay, that. You can mix it.
Tinikman na rin namin, so nag-add kami ng salt, pepper. So you just adjust the taste.
Okay.
Taste test.
Tikman natin.
Good. Okay na.
Tama-tama yung asim niya. Alat, tamis. At hindi siya masyado manghang. Kasi hindi talaga siya maanghang.
Yeah.
So, here you go, guys. We'll turn the fire on.
Yes.
And
Malambot
then we'll
na
serve
rin
that.
siya, no?
Mm-mm.
Okay. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you try it. Sana try nyo to. And don't forget
To like
share
and subscribe.
and hit that notification bell. And all.
Yeah, kain na kami. So, we're ready to enjoy this.
Dreams